Hello, I'm Maverick with King Arthur's Tools, and for years we've been wanting a great grinder that goes with our grinder accessories. And Fine actually approached us with their great paddle switch grinder. Is there anything more exciting than getting a new tool? Here's the new Fine grinder. It is 7 amps and 12,500 RPMs, which is about 1,000 RPMs faster than most grinders. Also, when you unbox, you're going to find the most important part, which is the guard. First thing you always want to do is put the guard on the tool. And to do that, you want to put it kind of opposite how it normally goes, completely backwards, and just twist it around until it's in what we like to call the 45-degree position. And that's where the bottom of the guard is even with the bottom of the housing of the tool. Then you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver and just tighten that set screw that grips the guard onto the housing. Then you want to put your handle on. This is a great grinder for under $100. And we're going to show you today how to put our tools onto the Fine grinder. If you're going to tandem mount or put two Lancelots, in this case I have a 14 tooth and a 22 tooth, you just put those together. You want to take your bottom flange off and then put both of these together right onto the arbor. You can see this grinder has a very generous arbor. Then you'll want our universal nut, and then you can tighten it right on there. We have a wrench that goes with that. You can also use a socket. You don't want to use an adjustable wrench for that. Just hold the shaft lock. This has a nice shaft lock with heavy indentation into the shaft to hold it. You want to hold that shaft lock, twist it till she clicks in, and then just snug it up onto the arbor. And then you're ready to carve. Also, check out the links below and subscribe to our channel. And to wrap things up, I'm going to introduce my protege, Marina Hill, and she'll tell you more.
Hi everyone! For more information, please check out the links below, especially so you can see Maverick's first video, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Lancelot Tool, for great information. Oh, I don't like great information! And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Lancelot Tool, for more great carving videos.